Hello everyone. Are you ready to meet a tool that's revolutionizing the world of artificial intelligence? Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to download and install Pinokio AI, which lets you install any AI application on your computer with a single click. Pinokio is a browser that allows you to easily install, run, and manage AI applications, servers, bots, and more, all locally on your computer. It handles everything with a single click, eliminating the need for complex command line operations. As you can see on the main page, there are dozens of verified and community-developed scripts for everything from text to speech and face swapping to video generation. This allows you to control the power of AI directly on your own machine. Let's get started. First, we'll go to the download page by clicking the download button. Pinokio is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. In this guide, we'll be doing the Windows installation. We start the download by clicking the Download for Windows button. Once the download is complete, we locate the zip file and move it to our desktop. Then, we right-click on the file and select Extract All to extract the contents of the zip file into a folder. When the extraction process is finished, we open the newly created folder and run the Pinokio setup application inside. The installation will begin automatically and should be completed within a few seconds. When the installation is done, the Pinokio application will launch, and the Windows firewall might ask for access permission. This is necessary for the application to function correctly on your local network. We proceed by clicking the Allow Access button. On the initial settings screen, you can specify where Pinokio will install its files. The default settings are usually fine. After clicking the Save button, Pinokio will be ready to use. Now you can click the Visit Discover Page button to explore the application catalog. The Discover page is the heart of Pinokio. Here, you can find hundreds of AI applications under the Verified and Community tabs. You can find any application you want and install it on your computer with a single click. And that's it. Pinokio AI is now installed on your computer, and you're ready to explore the limitless world of artificial intelligence. You'll soon discover a wide range of fresh and diverse educational content on our channel, focused on artificial intelligence and Pinokio AI. To get the most out of our training sessions and fully grasp the concepts, we strongly recommend watching each video from start to finish without skipping any parts. We also encourage you to explore both our previously published content and the exciting new videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this fun experiment and would like to see more interactive content like this to give you new insights, check out what else we have on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications for new videos. See you again soon, and thanks for watching.